We are getting ready to go to Arizona Balloon Classic, a balloon fest here in Arizona. That hot air balloons, way cool. And somebody has the job of getting summer ready for to go. We are all loaded up and ready to go.
Yes. Chana.
And I even closed the garage door. Yeah. So what do you want?
We are heading to Balloon Festival.
Arizona Balloon Classic.
Yes. And I'm excited though. I really want John to go in there, to be honest.
Turn right onto West Villa Maria Drive, then turn left onto North 31st Avenue.
Okay, thanks Google.
In 300 feet, turn right onto West
Google.
Michigan Avenue.
Yep, that's
Take
cool.
the next right onto West Michigan Avenue.
So, yeah, it's kind of, it's still early. Wait until summer, it's super bright. So, we'll see you there, right?
In a quarter mile,
Bye-bye.
turn right onto North.
Okay, we are in, how do you pronounce it? Ballard Avenue.
Bullard Avenue. We're just getting off the freeway.
Yes.
And sadly, we just noticed that we missed the takeoffs. So as we turn the corner, you should start seeing balloons in the sky.
Yeah.
If this light ever turns green again.
Oh,
Channa.
she did amazing there. Her hair was, yeah, interesting. Miss.
Continue on North Bullard Avenue for 3 miles.
And there
you
they are.
see the balloon in there. They're huge. The clouds is like foggy, no dark or. Yeah, I miss this place because we have a friend who lives by close here, and yeah, we always visit him before. I see the hot air balloons now. Yay, 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 yay. Ah, here you go. I'm not sure if you could see, but I could see in my eyes. Clears, bright and clear. See, colorful. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hot air balloon. Yay. So good. Oh my god. Hot air balloon. Okay, they send signal.
We made it, and somebody's already out of the car getting Chana out. That means I gotta run and grab the stroller.
This is my first time. We are here in in the Arizona Balloon Classic. So epic fail.
Well, not an epic fail.
Epic fail. We're just late, but we still see the balloon, hot air balloon.
We saw a couple of them go up.
Yep. So
I still like that one.
see?
Although we missed the bulk of them going up, apparently we didn't miss all of them going up. I have the tickets, so that way she had to wait for me at some point. Cindy is insanely excited. Yeah, these balloons are stinking huge.
Oh, there's wind shakers.
Oh, there he goes.
Yay!
Hey.
Oh, it's moving. Yeah, look at that, Chana. Yay! Yay! Oh my god! So pretty!
But now it's time for us to go explore and Cindy to finish with her live stream.
I finished already.
Someone wanted to get out and try and walk.
Okay, one. You finished for your food.
That'll be carried. I'm not entirely sure which.
Her hands are cold. Where is that? What is that?
She's seeing all kinds of pretty colors.
She gets
Yeah, she's seeing
I'm trying to do it. You like it? Oh, let's go. Let's go walk. Let's walk over there. We'll just get.
And of course, the obligatory food court. But I can't do a long video because they got music in the background. Okay, now take a big bite. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Online privacy protection. Human trafficking is happening in your community every day. It is the exploitation of a person.
And they've even got the right background for it.
Call 1-866.
Well, we just walked the entire balloon fest. The balloons are all gone. We're actually gonna head out. It was kind of a fun little experience. So, how did you like your first ever balloon fest?
I like it. We'll try again, huh? Next time. With many more hot air balloons.
Yeah, it was a partial fail. We only saw one of the balloons take off.
Yeah.
And this one's real small. That it's tiny. Albuquerque, on the other hand, has a massive one that's like a week long in October. And so I think that encouraged someone
To go.
that it might be a lot of fun.
And someone's having a snack.
And
She's sleepy also. When we got home, she will go back to sleep.
yeah, I don't think she's gonna wait till we get home.
I wake her up actually. I keep saying, Chana, Chana, Chana. Oh, Papa.
But it's been fun from the Arizona
Arizona.
Balloon Classic. Mabuhay.